Mr. Hardy, you got a guest.
Oh, well, if it isn't Nick Searcy, international film and television star. It's great to see you, old friend. Indeed, I haven't seen you since the Honorable Ring.
Yes, my ribs still hurt. Those Briscoe brothers.
Yes. How have you been?
Oh, wonderful. You know, I was just back in North Carolina. I could not resist. I had to come by and see the wonderful, magnificent House Hardy.
Oh, indeed. You know, all of the landscaping is done by the unimpeachable Senior Benjamin.
Yes, Senior Benjamin, a mellifluous job.
Ah,
Thank you, sir.
great word.
Well, thank you. But what a place. I mean, this is great. All this land and
Gracias.
every man needs a place like this. Grand piano and throne and dome of deletion. How much you want for it?
Oh, you know the Hardy compound is not for sale. It is the nucleus of my magic. Yeah.
Well, if you ever change your mind, I mean, I got a lot of people in Hollywood I'd like to delete.
Oh, but of course, indeed. Well, I must tell you, Mr. Searcy, your timing is impeccable.
Really?
Because we were about to start the annual House Hardy Rattlesnake Roast and Ghost Storytelling Evening.
Well, I am a professional actor. I'd love to be able to tell a ghost story to your kids.
That sounds absolutely delightful. Please join us, indulge. Yes, the rattlesnake is all on me. I love rattlesnake. Well, Wolfgang, King Maxwell, you two are in for a special treat. Yes, look, we have one of Hollywood's finest actors, Nick Searcy here, and he is going to tell you a ghost story. A professional actor telling you a ghost story. How great is that?
You are some lucky kids, but you deserve it because you're royalty. Once upon a time, there was a little boy, and he was riding his tricycle down a long, dark road. And he rode and he rode, and he came to the end of the long, dark road, and he saw a long, dark path. He saw a little house, a little dark house. He saw a long, dark hallway. And so he opened up the little dark box very slowly, and you know what was inside? Inside that little box was a pink jelly bean.
Why is it scary?
Well, it's surprising. You know, I just wanted to scare him to death, you know.
It was a good story. I found it nice.
Thank you.
Brother Nero, let's hear your tale.
It's more like a ghost question. Why did the rooster cross the road?
Because he saw a hen over there?
Close. To die to the other side. Cock-a-doodle die! Oh, yeah, here comes the rooster. Oh, yeah!
Senor Benjamin, do you have a ghost story you would like to share?
Sí, señor. Sí. Ahora yo quiero coger 3 hombres de aquí, enterrarlos vivos en el bosque.
Oh, wow. What a story.
I don't know what he said, but he scared the shit.
The loyal Senor Benjamin knows where all the bodies are buried.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Allow me to tell you my story for the evening. In the 1800s, my essence resided in a vessel in Botswana. I was the chief of the San Bushman tribe. My name was Jafari. And once every decade, we would venture from Botswana up to Ethiopia. And we would go to Ethiopia to the Blue Nile Falls. And on this particular trip, as myself and my tribe marched into Ethiopia, we ran into another tribe. And they were a very vicious and crude tribe. They were called the Mercy tribe. And the Mercy tribe would not allow us rite of passage at the Blue Nile Fall. So I asked them, what may I do? Something with honor that will allow me to pass. They said, the only way we will allow you this passage you need is to challenge us in a game of Donga. And this is a contest where two men fight like warriors with sticks into the death. And I defeated their chief. But whenever I defeated their chief, their tribe, which had my tribe outnumbered by 1,000 men, totally turned on us all, and they massacred everyone. They massacred my friends, my family, my children, my wife. They massacred everyone. And then my essence ventured into another vessel, a fetus on another continent. I'm sorry, I know ghost stories are supposed to be fictional, but mine is actually factual. It is history, it truly happened. And I want this to be a reminder to all of us. There is a threat that is looming to all of us here at House Hardy. Someone wants to take over and take control of the sacred line of deletion. Brother Nero, Senior Benjamin, House Hardy, we must stand together. We must all rise up and we must delete this thread. Yes! Delete! 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 Delete!
Hey, Matt, what would the property tax run on a place like this?